In this video, I'll show you how to get more followers on Facebook. First, make sure your profile is fully filled out and set to recommendable in your page settings. This allows Facebook to suggest your page to new people automatically. Now let's talk about content. The most important thing you can do right now is post Facebook Reels. Reels are the biggest driver of organic reach on Facebook at the moment. They get shown to people who do not even follow you yet, which is exactly what you want. Try to post 3 to 5 times a day and make sure your content is entertaining, valuable, or shareable. Every time someone reacts to or comments on your post, go ahead and invite them to follow your page. This is a simple step that most people forget, but it adds up quickly over time. Join Facebook groups that are relevant to your niche and start engaging with people there. Like and comment on posts, be helpful, and share your content when it is appropriate. This gets your page in front of a targeted audience that is already interested in your topic. Running a contest or giveaway is another great way to grow fast. Ask people to follow your page, like the post, and tag a friend to enter. This spreads your page to a whole new audience quickly. You can also collaborate with other creators or brands in your niche, do a joint live stream, cross-promote each other's pages, or do a takeover. This exposes you to their audience and brings new followers to your page. That is how you do it.